Once upon a time, there was a man named Marvin Muddle who thought his smile was too goofy for the world to see. Marvin only smiled on special occasions, usually when cake was involved. One day, his quirky neighbour, Mrs. Dazzle, challenged everyone to smile at 10 people a day to become immortal. Marvin was sceptical, but that night his mirror seemed to frown back at him. The next morning, Marvin decided to give it a try and smiled at his toaster, which didn't smile back. He smiled at the mailman, who tipped his hat and grinned back, making Marvin feel a little braver. By lunchtime, Marvin had shared smiles with everyone, feeling lighter and happier than ever before. That night, even his mirror reflected a happier face, and Marvin knew he would never save his smiles again. Did you know that smiling can actually extend your life? Research shows that smiling releases endorphins, which boost your mood and health. Imagine starting your day with a smile. It sets a positive tone for everything that follows. Picture this. You walk into a coffee shop and share a smile with the barista. Smiling at strangers can create a ripple effect of positivity in your community. Try to find at least 10 moments each day to share a smile, whether it's with friends or strangers. Remember, a smile is contagious. It can brighten someone else's day. So let's commit to smiling more. It could be the key to a longer, happier life.
Don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for visiting our channel. Don't forget to visit our online merchandise shops. The link is in the channel description. Remember, learn something every day. Please check out our other videos. We will see you in the next one.